Run into a bit of an issue here. This commercial grade downspout is slat full to the brim. What's going on? Brett with Good Boy Gutter Protection out here, Gutter Cleaner U. Out here getting this commercial property done. Got my new guy Devin with me. Check this bad boy out. Gonna get this squared away. Not entirely too bad from a gutter standpoint, from a cleaning standpoint, but they are having some overflow issues down the line over here. But we're gonna get them cleaned out, man. Y'all enjoy the video. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you. Yeah, so the game plan with this one is, one, blow the roof off, just like Devin's doing over here, blowing the gutters out, getting all the heavy gunk and debris. What I've done through is pulled out some of the heavier stuff that's clogging the downspouts. And then we're gonna go back over it with a water hose, clear them all out, make sure everything's clean and cleared out, water's flowing properly, and then do a light cleanup on the ground, since this is a little bit of a controlled kind of cleanup. Run into a bit of an issue here. This commercial grade downspout is slat full to the brim. I don't know if I can show you over here. Just absolutely stuffed all the way up the downspout. We got a little bit of water coming out of the drainage here, but not nearly enough to get it clear and free. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to take this downspout loose from the top and see if we can't get it cleared out that.
That root system right there.
Yeah, hold it up. Sheesh. Got the downspout cleared out. Look at that. That's some thick stuff right there, boy. Had to take the whole downspout off. A ton of water came out with it, and then a big old turd. So